Have you ever walked into a room and felt like you were invisible? You speak, but no one really listens. You're kind, you're helpful, you're a believer, but somehow, you're the one people feel they can ignore. If you're tired of being everyone's second choice, listen closely. Today is day 1 of our 21-day identity shift, and I am exposing the one mistake you are making every single day that is teaching people to undervalue you. Most people think respect is earned by being a good person. But in the realm of the spirit, respect is not earned. It is commanded. There is a difference between being nice and being aligned. When you are too available, you become common, and what is common is never respected. Think about the gold in the earth. It isn't lying on the surface for everyone to walk on. It is hidden, protected, and requires a search. Your soul and your presence should be the same. When you give your energy to everyone who asks, you are telling the world that your time has no value. And if your time has no value, neither do you. Psalm 139 says you are fearfully and wonderfully made. Read that again. Fearfully. That word means to be struck with awe. It means there should be a weight to your presence that makes people stop and think twice before they disrespect you. This isn't about pride, it's about stewardship. You are a steward of the glory of God. If you allow people to trample on that glory, you are not being humble, you are being irresponsible. Apostle Joshua Selman says that the world only responds to the version of you that you believe in. If you walk with the spirit of a servant to men, they will treat you like one. If you walk with the stature of a daughter of the king, the atmosphere must shift. Your stature in the spirit is what dictates your influence in the physical. You cannot have a small spirit and expect a big life. Social anxiety is often just a symptom of a misplaced identity. You are too conscious of their eyes because you have forgotten his eyes. You are worried about their judgment because you haven't accepted his verdict. When you know who you are in the secret place, the opinions of people in the public place lose their power. You don't need their applause to feel significant, and you don't need their permission to exist. The mistake you're making is that you are asking for permission to be yourself. You are waiting for someone to give you a seat at the table instead of realizing that the table was built for you. Stop. Royalty doesn't ask for permission to sit on the throne. You must understand that the way you treat yourself sets the standard for how others will treat you. If you allow people to interrupt you, they will. If you allow people to cancel on you at the last minute without consequences, they will. You are teaching them how to handle you. It is time to retrain your environment. It is time to stand up in the spirit and say, no more. This 21-day journey is about more than just feeling good, it's about a structural change in your soul. We are tearing down the old walls of insecurity and building up a new temple of authority. Repeat this after me. I am not an option. I am a divine priority. I am not invisible. I carry the weight of the Spirit. The era of being overlooked is over. It stops today. I refuse to be a slave to the opinions of men. I am anchored in the love of the Father. My voice has power. My presence has weight. I am stepping out of the shadows and into the light of my true identity. If you felt a shift while hearing this, type I am aligned in the comments. This is your public declaration that the old you is gone. Join me tomorrow for day 2, where we tackle the power of NO. We are going to learn how to set boundaries that protect your peace and preserve your honor. Your voice is coming back. Your strength is returning. Revelation Media